So my friends, in my last video about the Samsung Q900TS, I had an issue with the review model that I was sent from box.co.uk. Unfortunately, this was a brand new TV, but it had this issue right in the middle. And as you can see, one of the backlights, the local dimming zones, clearly the LEDs were faulty and not working. And I had about a 5cm by 10cm dim in the actual picture. So the guys at Box very diligently replaced the TV within a couple of days, and the new one arrived today. But guys, I've got another problem and I need your help. What can I do about this? Don't forget to hit the red button to subscribe and give this video a thumbs up and click the notification bell to get my next video first. Okay, so I set the TV up and initially there was absolutely no problems. Note the time here, it's 6:26 and I literally just turned the TV on and everything was fine, no issues at all, no sign of any problems. However, then I watched the first half of the England football game, which was around 7:45 to 8:30. I went up onto my computer, came down and saw this blank screen. And now, no matter what I do, I cannot get a picture. I can hear the sound, but I cannot get a picture. So I've turned the TV off and I've left it for 10-15 minutes. I've changed the HDMI cable. I've taken the HDMI cable out and just tried to go to the menu screen on the actual Samsung TV, and it still won't let me do that. On occasions when I turn it off and turn it on, I get that little flicker which shows an image but then goes blank again. And I'm absolutely at a loss. I've gone right through the manual and there doesn't seem to be anything in there. So let me show you this again. I turn it off, and if I turn it on, it gives me a little flicker of a screen, and then that's it. And guys, I'm stumped. Can you recommend anything? Or is it a case of sending this back for a second time, and maybe, if I've got the patience, this is 2 days I've wasted now with this TV, do I go for a third one? Again, I do have to say that this TV was a brand new TV, there was no signs of any usage before, and so again, I cannot hold Box responsible at all, and the way they dealt with the replacement of the original TV was absolutely first class. So I'm definitely at a loss, and I'm sure they are too. Guys, leave a comment and let me know what your thoughts are with what could be going on.